All right guys, day 6, and in this video I'm going to talk about what to do with your internet money. So if you're making money online, that's awesome, but my game plan has always been to take the money from that and then invest it in offline assets. So I like real estate. This is actually a property I just bought. Let's see. This is in Dallas, Texas. So what's going to happen here is usually I do rentals or flips. This is my first development deal. Let's walk inside real quick. So this is a 3-bedroom house. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so basically what we're going to do here is knock this down. We're going to demo this building, and then we have this entire lot as well. And we're going to build a new construction home. So this is, I bought this for $515,000, and construction cost for demoing this home and building up a new construction, it's going to be a luxury new construction, is going to be about $700,000. So 700,000 plus 515, let's just say we're around $1.2 million for our costs. And they should sell in the range, based on comps in the area, for around 1.8 to $2.2 million. So hopefully we get the high end of that. But if we sell for 1.8, we're going to make profit around, we're shooting for around $400,000 to $420,000. So the whole point of doing this is we take the internet money that we make. I like to do AI book publishing, so I do that for clients. I publish my own books. Take that money, I buy rentals, so cash flowing real estate. This dog's pissed. And then I also buy, I'm gonna start buying more deals like this, right? Development deals where we can make a lot more with one transaction. So a lot of people with internet money, what they typically do is they go buy super flashy things, and I like nice things every now and then, but I would rather buy things, assets, offline assets that pay me for life, right? So rentals, I like to do flips. Now we're doing developments for the bigger profits, but we take the money from online and we invest it into offline assets like real estate. Doesn't have to be real estate. That's just my favorite for a number of reasons. You get the cash flow, you get the appreciation, you get the tax benefits. You get, yeah, there's a ton of benefits with real estate. Maybe I'll have a separate video on that alone. But yeah, just that's basically what I do with most of my money, is I take it, I buy more income, or I buy other offline opportunities, like getting into development. So I'll probably be documenting this a bit more on the channel, just because it's not directly tied to online business, but this is where a lot of my online business money goes, is I buy assets like this. So let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see more videos around real estate, development, rentals, flips, I can start talking more about that. But yeah, hope you found this interesting, and I'll see you in the next video.